Hello guys, how are you guys doing? This is Anna Chisomukolo. Welcome to another vlog. So guys, in today's vlog I am going to cook stew. I'm making stew and rice, and I want to take you guys along with you to see how I make a very fast. Yeah, I already have my meat and everything I need prepped. I've already started with how do you call it, cooking down the tomato. And let me show you. And if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, share and like the video. It's going to be a very short video, but please watch till the end. Subscribe. I'm watching you. Subscribe to the channel. So what I'm doing right now is I've added my tomato, onions, garlic, pepper, and then added a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to just fry this up, okay? The leftover stew here that I'm going to use for this process, we're just going to add it to make the stew bigger. My onions, my meat. Let's take this off. This is my meat, my onion, my pepper maize. It has onions. I don't have a lot of tomato, that's why I have to. Still on our cooking vlog, guys. Please, if you're a YouTuber, please tell me how you do to save up space on your phone. Please tell me how you do to save up space in your phone. So one of the thing actually that people don't talk about a lot is the fact that if you want to film new video, you have to delete videos to fit, like to download another video or to make another video. So please, what's your solution? How do you handle it in your iPhone to make sure that you have enough space to film? I have to always delete my previous video to film another one. So let me know what you think. Please, let's continue our cooking. ready. So now you have the option to either remove the oil on top or just because I'm going to put it and store it inside the fridge. So while eating it, the oil will be like shared accordingly. This one is made with palm oil. You can see, very delicious, guys. So this is a sign for you to go and make your own pot of stew my own way. So thank you. So guys, food is ready. So the food is ready, so I'm gonna show you how it looking like. Look at it. Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? I made this from scratch. So guys, I made this from scratch. This is my stew and this is my rice. So come enjoy me. See ya. Thank you for watching the video, and please let me know if you're gonna try this stew. Bye. So that was like a simple stew recipe, okay, from start to finish. So I hope you enjoyed the video. There was a lot of ups and downs, which I'm going to do like a voiceover, pop-up voiceover for you to see. But in all, we are able to make the stew and the rice for the family. So thank you all for watching.